To create a chamfer in FreeCAD, you can use the Part Design Workbench. Here's a step-by-step guide. Launch FreeCAD and switch to the Part Design Workbench by selecting Part Design from the Workbench drop-down menu. Create a new document. Add new body. Select Additive Box to create a base part. Change this condition to true. Select edges. Click on Task panel, click on Chamfer Tool. Adjust size. The selected edges will be modified accordingly. You can also specify the chamfer in 2 direction or distance and angle if desired. Observe design changes. Click OK to apply the chamfer. Let's select other edges and apply chamfer. Provide size. Click OK to apply. That's it. You have created a chamfer in FreeCAD using the Part Design Workbench. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress.